Hi everyone, this is your Kenyan Chinese teacher Faith Lao Shi, and today I'll be teaching our young learners the most commonly words that are used when you're beginning to learn Chinese language. And I mean young learners because in Chinese language we have two major practices. We have YCT, which is for young learners, and then we have HSK. And also the exams that are done, the international exams that are done, are divided either into YCT, Young Chinese Test, or to HSK, which is the Chinese Proficiency Test for adults. So when we talk about YCT, we are looking at the students that are from 16 years old and below. 16 years old and below. And these are the words that I'll be looking at today. So pay attention and I hope you will learn a lot. So my first word is jia. Jia. Jia means home or family. 学校 means school. 学校 is school. 商店. 商店 is a shop. 中国人. 中国 is China. 中国人 is a Chinese person. 爸爸 is dad. 爸爸. Mama is mom. Mama. 姐姐 is big sister or elder sister. 姐姐. 哥哥. 哥哥 is elder brother or old brother. 哥哥. Then after that, I'm going to add other few words that are important when we are looking at those family words. Remember, I mentioned baba, mama, 姐姐, and 哥哥. Then we have a small sister is 妹妹, 妹妹. And then we've got a small brother is 弟弟, 弟弟. Okay, I continued my words. We have the word 老师. 老师 is teacher. Now you know that word so much. 手, 手 is the hand. 手. 口, 口 is the mouth. 口. We've got 眼睛, 眼睛 are eyes. 眼睛. Then we've got 头发. 头发 is the hair because the head is 头. 头. So you have 头发, the hair. Then we've got 耳朵, 耳朵, the ears, 耳朵. We have 鼻子, 鼻子, the nose. Now at this point, boys and girls and all the young learners that are listening to me, I want to sing for you a song. Then we continue with our vocabulary today. 这是我的家人，这是我的家人，这是我的家人，我喜欢他们。我爱爸爸，我爱妈妈，我爱姐姐，我爱哥哥，我爱弟弟，我爱妹妹，我爱他们。So that was a song on family members and how I love my family members. Now let's continue with our words. We have the word 个子. 个子 means height, height. Then we have 猫. 猫 is a cat. 猫. We have 狗. 狗 is a dog. Then we have 鸟, a bird. 鸟, a bird. We've got 鱼. I'm sure many of you like eating 鱼. 鱼 is fish. Then we've got 水. 水 is water. We have 牛奶. 牛奶 is milk. Then we have 米饭. 米饭 is rice. 我喜欢米饭. I like rice. 米饭. 面条. 面条 are noodles. 谁喜欢面条? Who likes noodles? 面条. Then we have 苹果. 苹果 is an apple. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. 苹果. 苹果. Then we got the word 今天. 今天 is today. 今天. We've got 明天. 明天 is tomorrow. We have the word 现在. 现在 means now. Like we'd say 现在8点, now is 8 o'clock. We've got the word 月. 月 means month. And then we have how. How means date. For example, if we are talking about January, we'll say 1月. 1月 because January is the first month. 1月. If we are talking about date 9, we'd say 9号 because 9 is number 9 and 号 is date. 9号. Then we've got the word 星期. 星期 is week. And girls and boys and all the young learners looking and listening to me, 星期一 is Monday. 星期二 Tuesday, 星期三 Wednesday, 星期四 Thursday, 星期五 Friday, 星期六 Saturday, and 星期天 is Sunday. So the word 星期 means week. Then we've got the word 点 which means o'clock, like 8点 8 o'clock, 9点 9 o'clock, 1点 1 o'clock. And that's it for today, boys and girls and all the young learners. Look out for my part 2 to continue learning the YCT vocabulary. 再见!